going on, guys? Investment Coach Chris here. Let's get to it. Doing a little something different today. Trading a little bit of Forex. I'm actually doing a little demo challenge for doing a little demo challenge with some Forex with this account. So this is a position I took. I'm really new to Forex. I normally do equities, so bear with me. I'm up $88 in this position though. I'm up $95. So I'm doing the Euro versus USD. Excuse me. Basically, I've never traded Forex. Traded a lot of stocks, and I understand price action. So I'm basically just finding patterns and setups and doing that. That's it. I'm in this one for, this account's about 10,000. So I'm only trying to get like $100 trades. You know, I'd like to do more, but you know, just little positions. I'm only taking like 2 pips at a time. So right now I was up 90. Now I'm only up about $57. So yeah, I might close it out if it continues to go up. Yeah. So today I'm down like 0.76, under 1%. So basically I'm just trading and playing with the software and seeing if I like Forex, because my other account I've already hit my weekly goal and daily goal. So learn some new stuff. Yeah, this keeps going up. So I did have profit, and I've only got $32 of profit. So I might like close it out. But what I see, the Euro versus the USD is like, just looking at the volume is increasing, and when the volume's increasing, the increased volume has been correlated with the downward trend, but now that it's pushing up, yeah. See, I was up $100, now I'm like broken even. I don't know, I probably should have already sold it, but it is in a downward trend. I've got some lines I've drawn out here. They may look like Fibonacci's, but they're not. They're actually my custom retracement lines that I use. And if you trade, then you know. So yeah, if it continues to push up, it's a shame. Yeah, I'm basically wanting it to go down. So, you know, if we look up here, it's been going down, the euro to the dollar, the Dow's down a lot today. So I keep looking at the news and it keeps saying that the Dow's down all these points and all that. So so the Dow was down 500 and then 400. So that usually correlates with a weaker dollar. So if the dollar's getting weaker compared to the current strength of the euro, then that's what you have to kind of offset. So it's a beautiful day here in California. So profits are at $16. So yeah, just a shout out to the people at Apiary. Apiary has this thing where they would go teach you how to do Forex, pretty much. They give you a 30-day trial, try out some stuff. They have a former stock guy that was on Wall Street, and he proved himself to be good at trading, but he liked to teach. So he still trades, but he likes to teach people to trade too. So, you know, their program's pretty good. It basically end up paying about $90 a month if you want to go with them. But that's for all your trading platform, your education, your software, and that allows you access to a leveraged account at like 100 to 1, where they just basically say don't lose more than like 3% in a day. So basically, you're paying them money to educate you so you can invest their money, and they're pretty good. If you're curious, you know, check them out. I don't work with them. I'm not associated with them. I just think it was a cool challenge that I'm doing now. So yeah, let's see. We're at 2340. And again, anyone that trades Forex, don't critique me too hard because I don't trade Forex. I'm basically just doing this for fun. Basically, I watched a little video on this platform and played with it, and basically I can push this bar right here and I can buy or sell, right? And then I can click this X when I want to end my position. That's all I'm doing. I'm not doing anything fancy. That's probably why I'm down about 1%. But that's actually not fair because my first 3 trades, my chart, I thought I had it set to I kept clicking new order, and I thought I saved the chart to be on the chart I was looking at, but I was looking at the chart and the order I was placing was going to a different fucking currency chart. I was like, my chart's going up, my price is going down. Wait a second, something's wrong, and it just hit me. Oh shit! So don't do that. So don't go click on new order. You click on new order, it's going to populate this, and if you change it, okay, it's Euro USD, right? If I change it, right? Okay, come back. Right, new order. Euro. It always goes back to Euro USD, so that messed me up the first little bit. I'm kind of dumb sometimes, though. Okay. But if you just go here and click this, it automatically populates it, based on what you're looking at. Yeah. But if you, yeah, the platform's pretty good. You got some charts you can click up here, watch list you can make. Execution's pretty easy, so yeah, not too bad. I don't like the blue and green personally because I'm an equities trader and I'm used to like green and red, but I can't really complain. So this is a 1 day or the 1 minute chart. So just as far as price action goes, what I'm kind of looking at is I'm looking at the volume, and I'm basically looking at something that's in a downward trend, you know. So it's in a downward trend. I'm hoping that we kind of hit right around here, which is we've been testing this resistance and kind of pull back down, and we keep making the lower points keep getting lower and lower. So I'm hoping this pulls back down below this, and excuse me, hopefully continues. So right now we're up $68. Same position, still down about $50 in a total account today. So nothing crazy, but again, my first few trades kind of messed me up. I was down like $300, and all that money was because I was trading the wrong currency with the chart. So, but I came back from that, so I already made $300 from that. So the way I look at it is, if I wouldn't have made that mistake, I would be up $300. So I feel like I'm having a really good day. So we're up 55. We're in at 1.13, right? And it's right now at it's 3317 is what we're in for, and it's currently at 78. But we shorted this, so anything under 17 over here, down here. So if you look at this, it's 1333, but that's kind of the same, right? It says 317. So anything under 317 is good for me. So remember, when you're trading anything really that allows you, if you don't have to like go search around for a lot of different things. If you find a stock that's moving up and down, then you just try to find a way to leverage one position over the other. Alright, so my battery is getting a little bit low. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this and go walk inside. So just give me 1 second, guys. Ooh, excuse me. Hey, what's up, guys? Chris here. Okay, so pretty cool. $131 of profit right now for this position. That's kind of nice. Yep. So just give me 1 second. I'll just kind of watch it for a bit. Price action is still pushing down. I feel like this screen should be like brighter. Maybe that's why, because it should be. Alright. So, let's see. I still like my hat. Alrighty. So, we're up about 84 bucks right now. It's kind of pushing back up, but still, you know, even though it's going back and forth, it's definitely in a downward trend. That much we are sure of. But is it done, and is it pushing up, or is it pushing back up just to pull back down? That's what we have to. That's what you do with stocks. I'm assuming it's kind of similar to the Forex. I mean, so far I've seen a lot of similarities. Let's see. If you're wondering what I'm doing, I have a big stock TV beside me, and alright. Hopefully. Oh wow, look at that. Yeah, it's kind of lame. Maybe I should have took my profits earlier. Well, you know, you never really go broke by losing profits. Okay, so that should be good. Okay. And now I should push enter, somehow push enter. Push the enter button, I keep pushing it. So, yeah, I don't know what's going on with my TV right now. Sorry, guys. Yeah, so I'm just holding the position. I know it's not exciting. So the reason I'm holding it is because of two things. The main reason that I've decided, no timing, what does that mean? The main reason that I've decided to hold this position is because it's in a downward trend. I mean, that's all it comes down to. If it continues with the momentum, we should continue to go down, hopefully. Now, if it does decide to stop and start reversing, then that is a problem. And if that problem arises, excuse me guys, I'm going over here to the TV. Everything's plugged in, right? Alright, I got a little news report here. Dow drops more than 500 points. Yes, we know. Everyone's been saying that. But one thing when it comes to trading equities, and it's very possible this might hit on the bottom and then shoot back up, and then I'm an idiot. But normally a stock that's in a pattern continues with the pattern, normally. So like, if, for example, if this continues in a downtrend, that's the trend it's currently in, versus trying to say, oh, this downtrend is going to reverse and come back up now. And it can. It definitely well can. And there's a possibility that this is getting ready to break out. And if that's the case, I'm on the wrong side of the trade, and I should have covered my profits. But if we think about the time, you know, we dip, we're still going down. So what's not to say this doesn't just push up a little bit? You know, especially if it stays below this line. And if it breaks above here, yeah, but it could break out. But who's to say it doesn't come up through here and then continue to push down like it's been doing all day? You know, because that's actually the current trend, you know. So that's kind of how I view it. Yeah, I kind of wish I would have covered my little, if I would have covered my 100, it was up to about 133 earlier before I sat down. I wish I would have covered some of those profits, but it's no big deal. Source. Plug that in. 88. This is really weird. I know, it's just really weird, guys. I don't know why my TV's doing that. Maybe I need to unplug it first and check my signal drives, because I thought I did everything you're supposed to do. I just really like kind of having my TV in the background. And I'm killing time, guys. Sorry, it's boring. So it's still pushing down. So now we're up about 91 bucks. That's kind of cool. 100. So cool. Now, last time it went down to 120, and that's kind of where it was. I'm just trying to decide where I want to lock in profit. I could add to the position, but the way this account was, okay, so we're up 147, so that's good. 145, 153, 160, 163. So when do we want to pull it? Oh, if we break below, we're going to still go, so that's wonderful. So that's 196, 214, 200, and now we're waiting that there's a kickback. Boom, I'm out. So it was $174 was the profit for that position. Now I could have locked it in, but what I tend to do is with the exchanges go in and out. So yeah, guys, that was a 16-minute video showing you how I made $174. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And you guys have a good one. Bye.